we're ready for Unit 6, Week 2, Day 3. All right, we're going to start with our sound cards. Today we're just going to say the sound. Here we go. W, all, am, an, sh, ch, th. And this one can also say v, k, e, b, g, d, qu, x, w, and t. Great job. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go over our vowels, vowel extension poster. We're going to hold that short vowel sound. Are you ready? A, apple, apple. E, ed, ed. I, itch, itch. O, octopus, octopus. U, up, up. Great job. All right, now we're going to go over some trick words. Our trick words for the week. Here's our first one. This first one is who. Now, this is one that is a trick, right? So we can't sound it out. We just have to remember. All right, so I want you to get 2 fingers out, stand up, put them straight out. We're going to write it. Here we go. W, H, O. Who. Now, eyes closed. Let's spell it with your eyes closed and write it. W, H, O. Who. Great job. Let's do our next one. Do you know this word? This word is what? Let's skywrite it. Ready? Eyes open. W, H, A, T. What? Okay, eyes closed. Let's spell it. W, H, A, T. What? Great job. We have one more. Do you know this word? This word is when. All right, let's skywrite this one. W, H, E, N. When. Eyes closed. W, H, E, N. When. Great job. Remember, these are trick words. These words can't be tapped out. We just have to practice, 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 and remember them here. All right, let's read our first sentence. Who wants an apple? They circled who because it's a trick word. Who wants an apple? Let's read our second sentence. What time is it? What time is it? They circled what because it's a trick word. Here's our third sentence. When will you get here? When will you get here? If you had to guess, what word do you think it's going to circle? Let's see. When. Did you say when? If you did, you're right. Give your brain a kiss. Great job. All right. Now we are going to practice, okay? I'm going to build some words. You're going to help me sound them out by tapping, and then we're going to mark them up, and you have to help me remember how to mark them up. Do you think you can do that? All right. Let me clear my deck from last time. All right, here we go. Our first word. Now, I'm going to try to trick you today because you know what? You guys are getting so smart and you're getting so good at sounding out suffix words. Words with suffix S in them. All right, let's do it. Arms up, fingers up. Here we go. Ch, in, chin, chins. Great job. All right, I need to know, what should I mark up first? I see a digraph. Do you see a digraph? What's our digraph in this word? CH. And what do I do for digraphs to mark them up? I underline CH. Great job. All right. What do I do next? I see that I have a base word. My base word is chin. What do I do for a base word? I underline my base word, chin. Great job. Now I need to circle my suffix. What's my suffix? My suffix is S, so I circle my suffix. There's one more thing that we need to do. Do you remember what it is? We need to figure out what that S says. Chins. I heard Z at the end. Did you hear that too? So we need to put the Z sound above it. And that's how we write the Z sound. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Let's do this one. Okay, here we go. At, mat, mats. What do I need to mark up in this word? I need to underline my base word. Good job. And my base word is, what is it? Mat. Then I need to circle my suffix S. There it is. Now, what sound did that S make? Mats. I hear the S sound, so I need to mark it up with the S sound because it says S. Great job. Do you remember why we add a suffix S to words? That means that there's more than one. It's plural, more than one. That's right. All right, let's do another one. Ooh, this is a good one. Are you ready? Here we go. Am, ham, hams. Ooh, we used a glued sound in this one. Cool. What am I going to mark up first? Do you have any ideas? We need to mark up our glued sound. What do we do for glued sounds? We put a box around our glued sounds. You're right. Okay, what do I need to mark up next? Next, I need to underline my base word. My base word is ham. Now I have a suffix, right? I have a suffix S, so I circle it. And we need to figure out, what does that S say? Hams. It says the Z sound. So I need to write the Z above it with my lines. Great job. All right, now we're going to do something different, okay? I'm going to say a word. We're going to tap it together, and then we're going to build it and mark it up. Are you ready? Okay, so our first word that we're going to do is bills. I have a lot of bills to pay. Bills. All right, let's tap bills. B-I-L, bill, bills. What was my first sound? B. So I'm going to drag my B up first. What was my second sound? I. So I'm going to draw my I next. And what was my third sound? Oh. So I'm going to drag up my L. That doesn't look right though. Why doesn't that look right? Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to drag up another L because when L comes at the end of a word and it comes after a short vowel, we have to double it. Bill. Can we have Bill? But now I need bills. What am I going to do there? Oh, it's a suffix S, right? So we need to drag the suffix S tile up. Great job. All right, now we need to mark this word up. What's the first thing that we should mark up? I see a bonus letter. Do you see it? We need to put a star above the bonus letter. Our bonus letter is L. All right. The next thing we need to do is, do you see a base word? What's our base word in bills? Bill is our base word, so I underline bill. What is our suffix? S. What did that S say? Bills. I heard the Z sound, so I'm going to write my Z above it because this S has the Z sound. Great job. All right, let's do another one. Here we go. Our word is rugs. I have 2 rugs at home. Rugs. Let's tap it. G. Rug. Rugs. What's my first sound? So I'm going to drag up my R. What's my second sound? What says U. What is my third sound? G. What says G? G. Now we have rug, but I want rugs. What do I still need to add? I still need to drag up my suffix S tile. Now we're ready to mark it up. What is my base word? My base word is rug. What's my suffix? My suffix is S. What does that S say? Rugs. It says the Z sound, so I would put a Z above it. All right, friends, that's all we're doing for today. See you next time.